Now in this video I am going to discuss Telangana Engineering Entrance Paper of 4th May, that is Shift 1 of year 2025. It was a very typical paper. Now the first question given that day was, if fx is equal to x square plus bx plus c, and if f of 1 plus k is equal to f of 1 minus k for k belonging to R for two real numbers b and c, then what is the relation between f of 1, f of 0 and f of minus 1? Now these are the four options. Now one thing is very clear, since fx is equal to x square plus bx plus c, since coefficient of x square is positive, therefore graph of this function is upward parabola, will be upward parabola. Now also, since f of 1 plus k is equal to f of 1 minus k, therefore the parabola is symmetrical about the line x equal to 1. Therefore the graph of the parabola will be something like this. It is symmetrical about the line x equal to 1. So this is the line x equal to 1. This part will be 1 minus k, this part will be 1 plus k. This part will be 1 minus k, this part will be 1 plus k. So if this is 1, this is 1 minus k. So therefore this point can be 0, this part can be minus 1. So this part, if it is minus 1, this will be f of minus 1. This part will be f of 0. And this part will be f of 1. So very clearly from the graph, f of 1 will be less than f of 0 and f of 0 will be less than f of minus 1. So therefore f of 1 is less than f of 0 is less than f of minus 1. So answer will be first option. Now another explanation for this is, always if fx is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, this parabola is symmetrical about the line x equal to minus b by 2a. Now here in our problem, since a is equal to 1, therefore x will be equal to minus b by 2. But our problem, the graph is symmetrical about x equal to 1. So therefore minus b by 2, if it is equal to 1, b will be minus 2. So therefore fx will be equal to x square minus 2x plus c. This we can write it as x minus 1 whole square plus c minus 1. Therefore f of 1 will be equal to c minus 1, f of 0 will be equal to c, f of minus 1 will be equal to c plus 1. So therefore f of 1 is less than f of 0 is less than f of minus 1. So therefore another explanation is this. So therefore ultimately it is option 1. So second question given was,